Welcome to Auto System, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, detailed specifications, and all the latest updates on vehicles, aircraft, and advanced technology systems. We bring you well-researched, insightful content that helps you understand complex machines with clarity and precision. In today's video, we take a comprehensive look at the Dornier Alpha Jet, a high-performance light attack and advanced trainer aircraft that continues to impress in 2025 with its legacy and capabilities. The Dornier Alpha Jet is a twin-engine jet aircraft originally developed by a collaboration between Germany's Dornier and France's Dassault Brigade during the 1970s. Designed to fulfill dual roles of training and light attack missions, this aircraft has served multiple air forces across the world with distinction. Over the decades, it has proven its versatility, reliability, and efficiency in a variety of operational environments. In 2025, the Dornier Alpha Jet remains relevant due to continuous upgrades and refinements. Its compact size, agility, and solid performance metrics make it an ideal platform for both pilot training and ground attack operations. It features a high-mounted wing configuration, which contributes to its aerodynamic efficiency and maneuverability. The Alpha Jet has a tandem seat cockpit layout, allowing the instructor and trainee or pilot and weapons officer to operate in close coordination. Powered by two Snecma Turbomeca Larzac turbofan engines, the Alpha Jet delivers smooth and consistent performance. These engines are known for their fuel efficiency and reliability, offering a maximum speed of approximately 1,000 km per hour and a service ceiling of around 48,000 feet. Its range extends to roughly 2,600 km with external tanks, making it capable of longer missions without compromising performance. The aircraft's avionics systems have seen major upgrades over the years, especially in the versions that remain in service as of 2025. Many variants now feature modern glass cockpits with multifunction displays, GPS navigation, and enhanced communication systems. These enhancements ensure that the Alpha Jet remains compatible with modern combat and training environments, bridging the gap between basic training jets and frontline multi-role fighters. Another highlight of the Alpha Jet is its weapons capability. Though initially designed as a trainer, it was built with ground attack in mind. It can be equipped with a wide array of weapons including bombs, rockets, gun pods, and even air-to-air missiles for limited self-defense. Its underwing pylons support various payload configurations, allowing it to adapt quickly to mission requirements. In terms of handling, the Alpha Jet has always been praised for its stability, responsiveness, and ease of control. It offers an excellent training platform for pilots transitioning to supersonic fighter jets. Its performance characteristics are forgiving enough for beginners while still providing the complexity needed to train for real combat scenarios. The dual-engine configuration adds a level of safety and redundancy, which is vital during training missions. Many countries have operated or continue to operate the Alpha Jet in their air forces. Nations such as Germany, France, Nigeria, Egypt, and Belgium have utilized the aircraft extensively. Each of these countries adapted the Alpha Jet to their specific needs, with modifications ranging from structural reinforcements to advanced targeting and sensor systems. In Nigeria, for instance, the Alpha Jet has played a key role in counterinsurgency operations, showcasing its utility in real-world combat. The airframe of the Alpha Jet is built for durability and ease of maintenance. Its modular design allows for quick repairs and overhauls, which is a crucial factor in military operations. Even after several decades in service, the Alpha Jet structure holds up well under the rigorous demands of both training and operational flights. Its maintenance costs remain relatively low compared to newer jet trainers, which adds to its appeal for budget-conscious air forces. In air shows and demonstration flights, the Alpha Jet has impressed audiences with its sleek design and powerful maneuverability. Its distinct silhouette and agile flight patterns make it a favorite among aviation enthusiasts. The aircraft's performance in aerobatic teams such as the Patrouille de France has highlighted its precise handling and aesthetic appeal in flight. While newer aircraft have entered the market, the Alpha Jet's value proposition in 2025 is centered around cost efficiency, proven performance, and operational versatility. It may not boast stealth features or supersonic capabilities, but what it offers is a balanced combination of agility, durability, and multifunctionality. For many air forces looking for a dependable light combat trainer, the Alpha Jet remains a solid choice. Modern variants have been upgraded with additional mission systems, digital instrumentation, and compatibility with night vision equipment. These modifications keep the Alpha Jet current in today's operational landscape. It integrates easily with training programs that prepare pilots for advanced aircraft like the Eurofighter Typhoon or Dassault Rafale. The cockpit design supports long flight durations with ergonomic seating and visibility optimized for both flight instruction and combat mission simulation. Flight control systems are responsive without being overly sensitive, allowing new pilots to develop their skills confidently. Safety systems onboard include ejection seats and redundant flight controls, which meet the standards expected from a modern trainer aircraft. Looking at its operational history, the Alpha Jet has demonstrated remarkable adaptability. From basic flight training to live combat roles in diverse geographies, it continues to show its strength. This durability is a testament to the engineering foresight and collaborative design philosophy that went into its development. As we move further into 2025, the Alpha Jet symbolizes the enduring legacy of smart engineering combined with mission adaptability. It stands as proof that a well-designed aircraft, even from a past era, can remain a vital part of modern military aviation when properly maintained and upgraded. Whether flying in formation during a military parade or serving on the front lines in tactical missions, the Alpha Jet continues to earn respect and trust. Thank you for watching this detailed review of the Dornier Alpha Jet. If you enjoy expert analysis, high-quality visuals, and comprehensive breakdowns of legendary and modern machines, make sure to support our channel. Subscribe to Auto System and stay tuned for more videos.